Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. Today we're looking at the C-130 Cargotrans Hercules twin from our friends at banggood.com. So fairly rapid assembly, should be fairly rapid assembly, but Al, who built it, took like a couple of months to put this together. But it looks okay. Some interesting design features. Particularly the nose. Do you like how we put the... Was that tape?
Well, that's a decal that came with
That's
it.
That's a decal that came with it. Has been nicely applied. Interestingly, the battery is on top of the landing gear, which is velcroed to the underside of the fuselage. Interesting. Haven't seen that approach before. And the motors and the nacelles are sticky taped on to the wing. So, what can go wrong? We'll fly it. Let's see how it goes. Here we go.
The undercarriageway.
Yeah, it doesn't have retractable undercarriage, unfortunately. Yeah, I think you did a good job building this out. So I'm trying to emulate the actual C-130 with its tight turns. There you go. That's the C-130 Cargotrans Hercules from our friends at banggood.com. I was literally chucking it around as hard as I could, and it was absolutely fine. Proof of how well it was assembled by my good friend Al. So thanks, Al. That's a keeper. A lot of fun. Okay. So look up the link in the video description for what I'm sure you'll find is a shockingly low price. Otherwise, that's it for this Essential RC flight test. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Jason on camera.
No problem.
That's it for this one. See you next time.
Goodbye.